yesterday in the Supreme Court, the centre made a very strong case against the practice of triple talaq in the Muslim community. The All India Muslim Personal Law Board says, that's been challenging this petition in the Supreme Court, says that this is the centre's way of making an entry to push for a uniform civil code. I spoke earlier this evening to Law Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad, who has said that the centre's argument against the practice of triple talaq is purely about secularism and gender justice. Right, Mr. Prasad, thank you so much for giving NDTV some of your time. The All India Muslim Personal Law Board has said that the centre's strong argument against the practice of triple talaq is really about bringing in the uniform civil code. Your response to them?
Well, I'm not here to respond to what the Personal Law Board says. Personal law affidavit is before the court, and what the affidavit says, you all know it. We have only articulated our concern and our response, and our opposition to triple talaq is based primarily and only upon gender justice, dignity of women, justice to women, and non-discrimination, and which are constitutional values. That's all, and the response needs to be seen only and only in that context.
So, Mr. Prasad, would you say then that the fight to make sure that the practice of triple talaq does not continue has really nothing to do with political positions that have been taken in the past on the need for a uniform civil code in India?
Well, I always said this is a limited challenge before the Supreme Court on triple talaq, and the Supreme Court has asked us to explain our stand, and we have explained our stand. And what I said is only with regard to gender justice. There is no need to refer any other issue which are separate, will be considered differently, not germane in the present issue in hand.